Hey there, it's Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today I'm going to give you a great drink to, number one, improve your digestion, get your microbiome in your stomach feeling fabulous, and make your thyroid issues disappear. All you need is a little miso. I love this miso master paste. It's the light version, the white version. So this is called Organic Mellow White Miso Paste. You can see it. It smells so good. You know, you may be worried about soy, but as long as soy is organic and not genetically modified, you can have it. And I put in maybe like a little teaspoon, between a teaspoon and a tablespoon, into a cup of really hot water. I stir it, and this you have to stir really, really well. Sometimes I blend it in my blender, and then I add a piece of a seaweed piece. So seaweed is so good for you. It's great to get your iodine. I believe that we shouldn't be taking iodine supplements, but if you buy sea snacks or any other kind of seaweed snacks, make sure the oils are pure. Make sure you're using an unrefined olive oil, coconut oil, or an oil that's good for you, not soy oils or sunflower oils, an oil that's good for you. And then all I do is I tear up this piece because I don't like seaweed, but when I put it in this miso, can't even taste it. And seaweed gives you the iodine you need to help with your thyroid. So any of you that are having thyroid issues, it is a great solution. I just stir it really well, and that's it. Of course, I get to eat it in my Hello Beautiful, or drink it in my Hello Beautiful cup, which always makes it even more juicy and delicious. Enjoy the process. Let me know how you enjoy it. And please, if you're not in one of my programs, hop on over to my website. Look at what I've got. Learn how to get healthy and well. And I'd love for you to join me and play in some of my programs. So thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach.